Hamza bin Abdul Muthalib, was a friend and uncle of the Prophet Muhammad who was known to be firm and courageous in upholding Islam. In fact, because of his struggle in defending Islam,
Hamza bin Abdul Muthalib was nicknamed the Lion of Allah. After converting to Islam in 616, he has always been the main protector of the Prophet Muhammad in carrying out Islamic preaching and war. Hamza bin Abdul Muthalib was the cousin of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. He was the son of Abdul Muthalib bin Hasayim bin Abd Manaf bin Qusay bin Kalab bin Murrah bin Ka'ab bin Lu'ay. Hamza was born in Mecca, around 570 AD. At that time, Mecca was still a city that stood on the foundations of the ancient Arab culture, where paganism was still the common religion. Hamza is considered one of the most important figures in Mecca's history. He was a firm and strong leader, and always strove to respect Arab laws and customs. He is also known as a reliable and respected figure by the Makkah community. Hamza was one of the companions who fought with the Prophet Muhammad in the Battle of Badr, 624 AD. He greatly respected the Prophet and eventually embraced Islam. Hamza was involved in several battles after that, including the Battle of Uhud and the Battle of the Khandaq. At the Battle of Uhud, he fought with high spirits and bravery, and nearly lost his life. In the Battle of the Khandaq, he fought bravely until he died. At the time of his death, Hamza was one of the most respected companions of the Prophet. He is one of the most remembered and respected companions in Islamic history. Hamza bin Abdul Muthalib is one of the most famous companions of the Prophet Muhammad and received high praise from his companions. He was a man of courage and courage to challenge the enemies of Islam. He has sacrificed his life to promote the religion of Islam and defend the rights of Muslims. Hamza bin Abdul Muthalib is nicknamed the Lion of Allah because he is known as a symbol of courage, strength and defender of religion. Arab historians say that Hamza bin Abdul Muthalib was called the Lion of Allah because of his loyalty to Allah and his courage in defending Islam. He is also known as the Lion of Allah because he was the uncle of the Prophet Muhammad and became one of the most influential people in the Prophet's circle. Hamza bin Abdul Muthalib became a symbol and example of steadfastness and courage in the way of Allah so that